What's up, my Destiny tribe? How are you guys? Today we have our behind the scenes of the 6 months pregnancy photo shoot. And the first light setup is ready, and I'm shooting at 1/125th of a second f4 neutral picture style and ISO 100. The front light is at 1:32 power. This is a 800 watts head power. And the backlight, which I'm bouncing out of that high ceiling wall there because the wall is white. Okay, there's the black curtain, but right after the black curtain the wall is white, so I want to just bounce some light on the background. Is at half power. And for the first picture I'm going to use the 24-70 f2.8 lens. To be honest with you, this lens is amazing. It's very sharp and delivering great quality. But right now, as I've been shooting for a long time, usually when I'm gonna shoot somebody, I'm gonna shoot some fashion campaign, and anything which is not an event, which is not like a wedding or any event reception, I mostly use prime lenses. I don't use zoom lenses. But today I want to experiment some different angles, and I don't want to be like changing lens all the time. I want to be able to just like zoom in and zoom out very fast. Most of the time when I'm shooting a portrait with a prime lens, I actually use this one right here, the 85 1.8 from Canon. This lens is my favorite portrait lens. Before we begin the shooting, I wanted to share with you this tip because I just love how sharp, fast this lens and accurate this lens is. And it's really a bang for the buck, you know. The cost benefit of this one is amazing. I have shot with the 1.2, but I have missed focus with that lens a little bit too much. I know it's an L glass, it's an awesome lens, and now I can't wait to test the 1.4. But for the price you get for this one right here, I think I will just stick with this one. And let's go for the video.
You were there, I knew, now you know. When we met, I swear I came alive. My heart turned to jelly and I'm googly-eyed. The same old story with a zesty twist. I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I.
Okay guys, my beautiful model is ready right there. That beautiful mom. Let's have some fun.
Let's spend our time, babe. I love you and you love me. Let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little, baby? We're in a world of our own. Dancing.
Okay. For the second outfit, I'm gonna take pictures together with Destiny Girl, and the only thing I'm gonna change is instead of bouncing light out of the ceiling, I will turn that head to the wall, kick the white wall and come back through the curtains. The curtains you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm gonna place those curtains close to the wall. But at the first photo, I positioned Destiny Girl very close here to the end of the infinite wall on the front, so she was about 3 meters away from the white wall. Now we're gonna be much closer because I want a little bit of flare in this photo. Let's check it out.
We're in a world of our own.
And yeah, this is what I was looking for. I'm still at f4, okay? That's the aperture I'm going for today. Let's shoot. I'm gonna place my camera here on a tripod and I'm gonna shoot through Destiny Girl and I self-portraying through the Camera Connect app, which you can download from the Apple Store or the Android market for Android phones. I'm gonna place 10 seconds in the shutter because I have to hide the phone as we're gonna have hands together. Oh, makeup.
No kissing during the makeup.
Okay, so I'm gonna place a chair right here.
Dancing to our own drum. And if there really is a soul, maybe now we found our own one. The same old song with a zesty lip. I'm ready to explore.
On the light. Let me turn on the light. Okay, we are done for today, guys. Thank you, my model, Destiny Girl. I was a model as well, of course. I hope you guys.
Not only me, excuse me.
Yeah, I was the model as well. Like.
No, excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, my boy. Sorry.
Say, welcome, Daddy.
So here's the result of the pictures we took today.
Magical bliss that is you and his eye. So let's now.
So many beautiful pictures, a beautiful time enjoying my baby boy, which is not here, but I feel almost like he is. You know, have you heard like every time you become a dad, the baby grow up together? No, I keeping on that yoga, guys. That won't happen. No. We are shooting at 1/106 of a second, f3.5, ISO 100, ISO 100. So if you guys enjoy this kind of video, please let us know in the comments below. Share your thoughts, your comments. Give it as a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned, guys. Until next.